Step into the future with Nolo Facts. We're here to showcase the remarkable world of heavy equipment, ingenious inventions, and the forefront of modern technology. A car shredder is vital in vehicle recycling, breaking down cars for easier metal separation. It features primary, secondary, and fine shredding stages using heavy-duty two-shaft shredders with hydraulic drives. These machines convert high power into high-torque, low-speed motion, ensuring effective shredding. With blades measuring 95 millimeters thick and working at a capacity of 4 to 6 tons per hour, they are robust and efficient. The shredder includes an automatic reversing function to prevent blade damage and offers excellent cutting performance with replaceable blade tips. After shredding, metals are recycled and plastic waste is repurposed. The Prinoth Raptor 100 is a game-changer in forestry and landscape maintenance. This remote-controlled carrier is perfect for mulching trees and brush, and it excels in maintaining green spaces, even on steep or sensitive terrain. Measuring 124 inches in length and adjustable in width and height, it weighs just under 4,400 lbs without attachments. With the M450H mulcher, it weighs about 5,710 lbs. The Raptor 100 can handle slopes up to 45 degrees and travels at a speed of 4.7 miles per hour. Powered by a 75 HP Deutz engine, it meets Euro 5 standards and boasts a fuel capacity of 13.2 gallons. Features include a hydraulic 360-degree rope winch, adjustable track spacing, and an ergonomic remote control. This versatile machine is essential for efficient and safe forestry operations. The Schwingstetter S38 SX Raptor is an incredible truck-mounted concrete pump designed for flexibility and high performance. With a 5-section hyper-extension boom, it can reach up to 122 feet vertically and 107 feet horizontally, making it perfect for various construction needs. The boom also rotates a full 730 degrees, allowing for easy maneuverability. Its Super X outriggers, fully hydraulic and extendable, ensure maximum stability on the job site. This machine can pump up to 213 cubic yards of concrete per hour at a pressure of 1,169 psi, thanks to its powerful 2525H6 12085 MPS pump. The compact unfolding height of 24 feet 4 inches means it can operate in tighter spaces, while its robust design and efficient hydraulic system make it a reliable choice for any concrete pumping task. The VTN CI7000 is a powerhouse in scrap metal cutting. This hydraulic scrap metal shear, weighing 795 kilograms, is built for heavy-duty applications. With a working pressure of 280 bar, it can effortlessly handle 5 to 8 tons of material. The CI7000's compact dimensions make it easy to transport and maneuver on various job sites. It's equipped with hydraulic hammers, demolition shears, rail cutters, and more, making it versatile for different industrial needs. Designed for efficiency and reliability, the VTN CI7000 ensures that scrap metal processing is both quick and effective, making it a valuable tool for any heavy-duty cutting task. The AMI single-point ripper is a game-changer for excavators, transforming land clearing and wood processing tasks. Designed for machines weighing between 24,000 to 115,000 lbs, this hydraulic shear attachment can weigh up to 4,455 lbs. Its dual ripper teeth dig deep, making stump removal a breeze, while the wide opening allows for easy handling of large stumps. The angled push plate efficiently backfills stump holes, leveling the ground seamlessly. The contoured cutting blade ensures smooth shearing action, perfect for creating firewood or mulch. Available in 6 models, the AMI single-point ripper is an essential tool for contractors and land management professionals, offering versatility and high performance. The Toro Dingo TX1300 is a powerhouse compact utility loader designed for versatility and performance. With its 130 HP engine, this machine handles tough jobs with ease. Its hydraulic system runs at 3,000 psi, offering robust power for various attachments. Measuring 130 inches long, 66 inches wide, and 78 inches high, the TX1300 is compact yet mighty. It has a dump height of 40 inches and a reach of 28 inches, perfect for lifting and dumping tasks. With an operating weight of 4,200 lbs and a tipping capacity of up to 2,600 lbs, it's built for efficiency. The 8-inch ground clearance and 3.5 psi ground pressure ensure stability and smooth operation on any terrain. The Toro Dingo TX 1300, with its impressive specs, is an essential tool for any construction or landscaping project, making tough tasks easier and more efficient. The Sikorsky S64 Sky Crane, also known as the Ericsson S64 Air Crane, is a remarkable heavy-lift helicopter, especially renowned for its firefighting capabilities. With a payload capacity of around 20,000 pounds and a 2,650-gallon tank, it plays a crucial role in combating wildfires. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney engines, it boasts a rotor diameter of 72 feet and can reach speeds of up to 127 miles per hour. Despite its hefty empty weight of 19,233 lbs, it efficiently handles maximum weights of up to 42,000 lbs. This versatile machine isn't just limited to firefighting. It's also used in construction, logging, and other heavy lift tasks. The S64 Sky Crane is a true workhorse, demonstrating unmatched reliability and durability in demanding conditions. The Huddig 1260C Railroad is a versatile backhoe loader designed specifically for railway construction and maintenance. Powered by a Cummins turbocharged diesel engine, it meets Stage 3B emissions standards. Its hydrostatic transmission ensures smooth operation and consistent traction. The articulated steering with an oscillating pivot provides a small turning radius, keeping all four wheels grounded on uneven surfaces. This machine is equipped with a heavy-duty backhoe for excavating and pole handling, and can be customized with various accessories like a sleeper changer and work platform. The ergonomic operator environment ensures comfort and control, making the Huddig 1260C a reliable and efficient choice for railway projects. The Wagner L490 Log Stacker, a powerhouse in log handling, is a vital asset in the logging industry. With a diesel engine producing 550 to 700 horsepower, this machine can lift up to 90,000 pounds, making it perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Its reach extends up to 35 feet, allowing for efficient stacking and maneuvering of logs. Designed with a high-capacity hydraulic system and large off-road tires, it operates smoothly even on rough terrain. The operator cab is ergonomically designed, offering comfort and excellent visibility. Equipped with heavy-duty grapples, the L490 ensures secure handling of logs. Built for stability and maneuverability, this log stacker is essential for efficient and safe logging operations. The Splitter X2 by Gunther is a versatile tool designed for the optimal preliminary separation of materials. This spiral shaft strainer is built to work year-round, enhancing efficiency and machine running time. With a working width of 2.9 meters, it's perfect for various industries needing reliable material separation. Powered by a 26-ton hydraulic drive, the Splitter X2 handles heavy loads with ease. Its continuous operation capability makes it a valuable asset, ensuring smooth and efficient downstream processes. The Splitter X2 is all about improving productivity and keeping your operations running smoothly throughout the year. The Bomag BC 1173 Refuse Compactor is a powerhouse in landfill waste management. Weighing in at 56.3 tons, this robust machine is designed for extreme compaction needs. It features a transport length of 9.78 meters and a width of 5.2 meters, making it highly efficient for large-scale operations. With a travel speed of 12 kilometers per hour and a front blade width of 5.2 meters, it handles landfill waste with ease. The Bomag compaction concept ensures clean working with scrapers and toothed wheels. Its efficient cooling system adapts airflow as needed, saving up to 6% in fuel. Equipped with Bomag's operator support system and telematics system for real-time monitoring, this compactor is built for optimal performance and low operating costs, making it an essential tool for any landfill operation. AccuCut Concrete, a family-owned business established in 1974, offers top-notch concrete cutting and breaking services for both residential and commercial projects. With their state-of-the-art equipment, they specialize in precision cutting for applications like wall sawing and wire sawing, ensuring they can handle any shape or thickness. Their core drilling service is perfect for creating precise holes in hardened materials essential for construction projects. They also excel in concrete demolition, providing safe and efficient removal of structures with thorough hazard marking and safety perimeters. AccuCut's additional services include trip hazard grinding and backhoe services, showcasing their versatility. Known for their experience, advanced equipment, and commitment to safety, AccuCut Concrete ensures customer satisfaction and high-quality results for any project size. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of advanced heavy equipment and cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights into the innovations shaping our future.